with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold.
I want to ask, do you know what exactly you are doing? Can't you see that there is something fishy about that woman? How can a reasonable woman snatch another woman's husband and be lavishing money on him?
I still do not understand you, Nai. Biko, go straight to the point. As you can see, I'm tired.
Now listen, whatever you are doing with her, count me out.
I never counted you in the first place now. I never counted you in. Biko, can I go and rest?
Chelu, just wait. Let me ask you this. How will you feel if Nonye were to be your daughter?
Don't remind me she is the reason my son is poor. Biko, she deserves whatever she's going through now. Biko, now I have a marker.
Just look at yourself. Just look at yourself saying this Nyanyampo. Get out of my just look at you.
So bad, I'll go and rest.
Hey.
Nah.
Just look at you.
Hi.
Take waka around this market, even street, everywhere. We are never enter just to look for one idiot. It be like I go back to Ghana. I will go back to Ghana because this place don't work out again. What will be the meaning of this rubbish now? If you know say I love my job, I go try. Go try look for him. Go try look for him. What I go do now? Hi. I go see them. I can see him now. Hey! You! Don't I go fire you? This is what you don't cause, eh? See, better go bring that woman now. Come back, make she go collect the job. If I lose her, you go suffer. Now this, I go use this to hit you now. They mad? They crazy? You know you can't spoil your job? Woman can lose my job because of you? Carry your job person come my place. See, if you don't go carry her come, I go show you shake it. Idiot. See your face. I go give you now. Idiot. Go collect this one. Tell me she go carry the job. Where could she be now? Where did she go? Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So what's your name?
My name is Noye. Chinonye.
Okay. So, you are interested in working for me as my cleaner?
Yes, sir.
Have you done cleaning job before?
No, sir. But I know how to clean. I can clean anything and anywhere. I'm very good in cleaning, sir. Even when I was growing up, cleaning was my hobby. I know how to clean, sir.
I see. Are you married? It's alright. It's alright. So how much do you want me to pay you for this job?
Sir, I can't possibly be the one to tell you how much to pay me, sir. Any amount is fine. All I just want is this job. I want to send my son back to school. I really want this job. I don't really mind the amount.
You have a son?
Yes, sir. And he's been out of school because of school fees for weeks now.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, sir.
It's alright. I'll pay you 50,000 naira a month. I'm not
Sir?
done. I'm not done. Yes, on top of that, I will also pay you 10,000 naira weekly as bonus.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. My God will bless you. You will not lack, sir. Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's all right.
God bless you, sir.
It's okay. Please stand up. Stand up.
God bless you. Sir, thank you.
Sit
Thank
down.
you so much. Thank
It's okay.
you. Hey, 50,000. 60,000. No. 90,000 a month. Sir, thank you. Thank you.
Please
Sir.
sit
My
down.
God will
Please
bless
sit
you. Hey.
Your mathematics is wonderful. Just sit down.
Oh my
please.
God, thank you.
It's all right. Stand up. Sit down.
Hey.
Sit down. You're welcome. By the way, I heard you saved my boy today.
Sir, I didn't save him. God saved him, sir.
Yeah. You're a very nice person.
Thank you, sir.
Very humble.
Thank you, sir.
You gave the credit to God. Alright? That's good. We are going to start immediately. Is it okay by you?
Sir, it's very okay.
Good. Jolo, Chief, take her to the kitchen. Give her anything she wants.
Okay.
Anything, okay?
Anything, sir.
And show her around the house and the compound.
Okay, sir.
That way you get yourself used to what we do here, alright?
Okay, sir.
Okay. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Stop crying.
Thank you, sir.
Alright? Okay, Noya is the name again, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Feel at home, eh?
Thank you, sir. Just to make her bring them for you. And also, I bring this one for you.
What did they hear?
I say my food. I say make I come thank you. See me Nana. I don't start work like this so. Hey, thank God though.
Thank God.
And all thanks to you. Now you do am.
Thank God.
Thank God do am, but now through you they do am.
I happy say they happy.
Thank you, thank you. And Chief say he go add extra bonus to my salary.
Eh?
I dey tell you.
That man good though.
Eh? Hey, that man nice. He too over nice, the warrior.
Hey.
The man too good. Thank you, thank you. So I gotta go back to work now.
Okay.
But no worry. My prayer be say after 1 month, I go fit the feed up to 3 months. Then I go comot you from this begging way they beg. I don't like am.
No. You see, the load where you dey carry, it don't dey too much for you already. No go add another one to that. I go fit take care of myself and then fine. All this small begging where I dey beg. I dey make money or it is money there inside the business. So.
I no gree. No worry. I will do the right thing. I will come out from this begging. I beg. Make I dey go, eh?
Yeah.
I will dey go.
Okay. Hey.
But I don't want to make you come back here and say you see the shiva. I want to make you strong like this.
I hunger, cause when I don't eat this one finish, I go strong.
I will come see you later, yeah? Bye-bye.
A beautiful woman with a pure heart.
With a golden heart. Hey, very fine woman. Young men of nowadays, they don't get sense. They're very, very ungrateful. This better woman, now your husband run leave. Hey! He joke.
Who the knock, oh? Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is Oga in?
Oga?
Is he angry?
Ah, look now. The car no dey there. Oga don't go work since.
Thank God, man, go start work.
I saw you dey take work. Cool down. See, I tell you, Oga no want me you work today.
I lied.
Eh?
Jesus. In the verse, no sack me. Eh?
No.
Was he angry I didn't come before he left?
No, see.
Hey,
You gotta calm down now.
I went to give my friend food. Hey.
Hey.
Don't sack me.
I never sack you. But see, Oga no dey vex for you.
Are you sure?
You know the vex for you. I don't know, Oga. Oga no dey vex for you. See, just that, he gave me this money make I give you. Collect that face, make it dey your hands. I go dey talk. He said make you use this money, pay your pikin school fees. Over. I don't talk and finish.
Wait. Oga give you this money? Make you give me to pay for my son's school fees. Hey, God! Please, God, you are too good! God, you are too good! You are so merciful! Hey! Hey! Follow me down this road! Follow me down this corridor! Why am I not to deserve this, God? I thank you! I thank you! You've been so faithful! You've been so faithful!
You good, well. You good.
Hey! Oh my God! For me and my son!
Yes, so you alone and your son.
Hey! Who is this man?
The man na my Oga, that him be. Where they give money, they throw one like this. Anyhow.
Let me go.
Yes, so just start to go. Make sure say you pay. Oh. Pay well. Huh? Hey! God, you are good. My Oga, you too good. I dey wait for my own.
Papa! The Lord has given me victory. I will lift him higher. Jehovah, I will listen. Oh, God has given me victory. I will lift him higher. Jehovah, I will listen. God has given me victory. I will lift him higher. Jehovah, I will lift. God has given me victory. I will lift him higher. Hey! Papa! Papa! You will not believe this. Hey! I am in shock. Hey! You will not believe what happened, Papa. I go to Chief's house, thinking he will be angry because I came late. When I got there, hey God! His boy Jolo gave me this and said his Oga said he should give it to me.
Wait. What did they hear?
The money.
Money?
I'm telling you.
Hey!
Papa, see money. See money!
Wait.
Tell me that this my God is not wonderful.
Wait first. This money Now your salary have been at the bonus.
None of them. Oh. None of them. He said the man told him to tell me to take this money and go and pay for my son's school fees.
Yeah. This man is kind of...
You say wait see.
Hey.
I don't know say people still dey like this. Oh God. I am so happy.
I'm happy for you.
Papa,
you
don't understand. I am extremely happy. See me now.
You know what is going to happen? Take this money. Go pay your pikin school fees quick.
Sharp.
Eh?
Hey.
You see what I tell you? God is wonderful. And I tell you, say kindness, they're very good. It be like river. As he flow come out, he go flow come back, come here for starts. You see why kindness good? Thank God.
Thank God. Hey.
See what you go do now.
I am still shocked.
You know what you go do now? Quick. Go pay your pikin school fees.
Now.
Hide the money. Where go fit? Hide here. Make them not go too far.
Papa, don't worry. You don't need to tell me that one. I'm smart, oh. Nobody can take this money. It's like my life.
Go pay your pikin school fees.
Hey, Papa. I'll say you like him. I do that way. No worry. Mom, this is my belly don't fool. I don't come back. Oh.
Okay.
I need you to sign this. Here and here. From now on, you own these companies, factories and microfinance bank. Go on.
What's going on? This is not my name.
From today, your name is Pedro. Yes. I mean, you bought these companies from me. Later on, you can sell the companies to your real name, Kajetan.
I don't understand. Is there something you're hiding from me?
Can you stop asking the stupid questions? Do what I ask you to do. If you do not do it, we are going to lose everything in few weeks.
I need you to explain to me more. I might bring a better suggestion. This looks like a fraud.
Come on, listen to me. Before you know it, we're out of this country. With the money we made from selling these companies. Come on.
Okay. Why don't we sign this in my name? Then sell to the fake me.
Enough. I need you to sign now. Sign here and here. We do not have much time. What are you waiting for?
It's a shame. You have no shame at all. Shame, no shame in their face. They are proud of their behavior, so proud of their character. They're so proud of their action. Why? Ekwensu na Rabia. Ekwensu na Nujefe. Ekwensu na Rabia. Fane mempuo ne malua. Ekwensu na Rabia. Shame, we have no shame at all. Shame, no shame in their face. They are proud of their behavior, so proud of their character. They're so proud of their action. Why?
I should have insisted we had our wedding before signing those papers. How does she intend to achieve this? I am going to run away. Once the money enters my account, I will run to Ghana. From Ghana to Europe. No. I will go to South America.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for yesterday. I got your message, sir. My God will bless you. You will not lack anything. God will continue to expand you. Your wealth will never run dry. Sir, it shall be well with you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. My God will bless you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I'm so grateful.
It's okay. Now get your gun.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. God bless you. You don't know what you've done for me. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You're a good man, sir.
I know.
Thank you.
See, Noe.
Sir.
I want you to know that you are now a member of the family.
Thank you, sir.
As a matter of fact, I have a very big plan for both yourself and your son. Okay? By the end of this week, I need you and your son to move into this house.
Sir?
Yes. I have asked Jolo to prepare the boys' quarters for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Banyeremo, oneme tuginobi. Banyeremo, oneme tuginobi. Okay, Moji, welcome.
It's okay.
Okay, Moji, come on. Okay, Moji, come on.
I'm sure you It's okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I God will bless.
Go and sit down.
My God will bless you, sir. For everything. For everything. Thank you. I'm very grateful.
It's okay. Can you sit down, please?
Wipe your tears.
No.
Sir?
Tell me about your husband.
This is a question I do not know how to answer. Because up till now, I'm still wondering what happened. I don't know what happened. He just woke up one morning and said he was going to work. Next thing, he ran away with another woman. He broke my heart. He broke me. I didn't do anything wrong. There was absolutely nothing I did wrong to him. All I did was to show him love, and that was my offense. That was the only thing I did wrong. That was my offense.
Who is in this house? Who is here?
Welcome. Good morning, sir.
Go and call your husband. Tell him to come with my money as he's coming out. I don't have time.
Okay, landlord. I thought we agreed you would come by the weekend.
Look, woman, I don't have time for long talk. Go and tell your husband to bring my money. I don't have time. Please.
He has gone to work.
Which work? The same work he has been doing for ages and unable to pay his rent. Go and tell him to bring my money. What nonsense is this?
Okay, landlord. Will I be lying to you? Eh? You are an elder. You are like my father. My husband is not in. He has gone to work.
My dear, I know he's inside here. You are just defending him. Go there and tell him to bring my money. Okay, he's not around, right? No problem. I'll wait for whenever he like. Let him come back. Wait here. Understand why a beautiful woman like you would be wasting with this useless man that cannot take good care of you. Eh? There are people that are capable that can take care of you.
Landlord, please. It's not as if my husband normally goes. This is the first time he's going here.
Women don't own. You have enough to take care of your bill and take care of your woman at all times. I really like you. I can take good care of you.
It's not as if you don't want to pay her. I want to pay you. Please, just give us a little time. We'll be able to pay.
This is your innocent face again. This is your innocent face again. I'm supposed to give your husband 1 week, but I'll give him 2 weeks because of you.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
Let it not be as if I'm a bad man.
Yes.
But if you did not meet or you will not like my action when I will come back.
Hmm?
Has he gone?
Yes.
Oh, God. Hey. Hey. We're going to be here. When will this be over? Hey. When will this be?
The woman I thought was a godsend to my family became a web that trapped my husband.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this kind of experience you've had. Some people have sold their conscience to the devil.
Especially this woman. The woman is wicked.
It's okay, I'm sorry for your story. No, yeah. My own story will break your heart.
You like this station. Come, take.
You're so sweet.
I know you like it. I know.
Thank you very much.
Ah, look at you.
You prefer action movies?
Well, not really.
I like sort of romance and a lot of kids.
Then why don't you put it instead of this one? Honey. Welcome, sweetheart. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Honey,
Yes, baby.
who is he?
Who? Oh, he is my cousin's first son.
Yes.
You're welcome once again, sweetheart. I think you need to refreshen up.
Auntie, I have to sleep now.
Yes, tell your mom to call me.
I will do that. Bye. Bye-bye, sir.
Honey, how come? You didn't tell me you were coming back.
Oh, I got an urgent call from the central bank manager.
Okay.
So I had to take the next available flight back home.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Great. So, how was your trip?
Oh, my trip was fine.
Yes. Oh, all right, then I will quickly tell the maid to prepare something for you to eat.
Who was that boy?
What?
You heard me right. And don't ever try to lie to me. Who was that boy?
My goodness. Are you trying to say that I brought in a man in our matrimonial home? Come on, that's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
Really? I asked just a simple question. What is the relationship between both of you?
And I told you, he is my cousin's first son.
Oh, your cousin's first son. And both of you were sitting so close in a romantic manner with 2 glasses of wine, enjoying yourselves?
He's a baby.
Oh, baby.
A baby. When did I even stop betting him? A few years ago. Obelenwa.
Okay. He's a baby, right? You were bathing him, right?
Yes.
But how come I don't know him?
You do not know all my cousins. Excuse me, sweetheart.
You are excused.
This is shameful. Shame. You have no shame at all. Shame. Shame. No shame in their face. They are proud.
Welcome once more, Adonai.
Thank you, my brother. What is everything?
They went to the monastery. They said that there is another apparition. But by the way, why is your face like that?
My brother, if I had known, I would have listened to your advice. I mean, when I told you I wanted to remarry, you didn't agree, you know.
Is Sisi seeing another man?
That is an understatement. I caught her red-handed. Yes. You know, the other time before I traveled to Germany, I planted cameras in the house. And I saw everything that she did with men.
Have you confronted her about this?
Of course I have. But you know, she denied it.
You will agree with me that your life is in danger. You have to divorce her now. Pay her off. But first, you have to stop eating her food. You know our tradition. That once a woman starts going out with other men and uses that money to cook food for you, you know the implication. You know it.
But brother, it hasn't got into that now.
You do not know women. You do not know them at all. You have to be extremely careful this time.
That I agree. I am careful.
I said extremely careful. She can still remarry and dance over your grave with a man.
You are right. That is why I no longer eat any food cooked by her.
Good.
I only eat the food cooked by my mates. I don't feel up to that.
I am giving you this job because I know you are a street girl. You will handle it very well. From today, I want you to be cooking for him when he dies. Be rest assured, I will reward you with a sum of 200,000 naira.
Ma,
Can you do the job or not? Yes or no? Now listen, I want you to think about what this money can do for you and your poor family. Think about it. Then tell me if you are in or out.
yes, ma. I'm in.
Good girl. Here. Take it. Your walk starts immediately. To the kitchen.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon. Who are you and what are you doing here?
I am the new maid. Madam employed me today. Chief, do you remember me? I am the girl you helped 2 years ago when I needed money to take my mother to the hospital.
You're welcome, darling.
Where are all my mates?
Oh, I have fired them.
You did what?
Yes, they're gone. I discovered they've been the ones feeding you with fake stories about me. So, I sent them out.
Come on, don't be ridiculous.
Oh, relax. I have gotten a new maid. I've tested her. Believe me, she's very good. Very good.
How dare you?
How dare I what?
How dare you sack my servants without my consent? They were working with me before I married you. How dare you?
So you preferred them to your wife? Oh, you should have told me you have something doing with them.
Ah, come on, don't be ridiculous.
Really? Very soon, we will find out who is being ridiculous when the time comes.
I am so sorry she sacked your servant. I'm a good servant too. I'm not a bad person. I prepared jollof rice.
What is your name?
My name is Tina, sir.
Now tell me, honestly, what is your mission here?
Sir, I am...
Go back to your house.
Ah, sir, please, please. I can't go home. Please. I need this job. I need to make money to take care of my sick mother. Please. I can't go home. Please.
What is wrong with your mother?
Sir, my mother, she's very sick. She has peptic ulcer, sir.
Take your mother to a very good hospital and then treat her.
Ah, God bless you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Sir, thank you. Okay, sir. Immediately, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tina! Tina! Where is the food now? Bring this food now. I'm famished. How many hours will it take you to prepare corn? Why are you shaking like this? What is the problem? Huh? Get me food. First of all, it took you a long time to prepare the food. To drop it now you are crying. What's the problem? Why are you crying?
You're a good man, sir.
Please, I'm famished. What is it now?
I don't have to do this.
Do what? Okay, wait. Yes, I know your mother is suffering from peptic ulcer, you said? Is it worse or something? Is anything the matter? Please, I'm famished. Let me eat my food.
No, please.
What is it? I don't understand. What is the problem?
I know you will not believe this, but your wife poisoned.
What? Poison this food?
Yes. Sir, Chief, she has a voice hanging around. Okay? So, look, I advise you pretend to be dead by the poison. You don't have to eat it.
If I don't eat it, how will she believe that I took poison? Okay, look at what we do. Come. See, why? Take back.
Oh my God! Chief!
Why are you screaming? Now I think it's time for you to pack your things and go home. I'll send your money at once.
Please, can I call my brother Tiger to throw his body away? No!
I have other plans.
He can make it look like an accident.
Oh, just shut up.
So that nobody will have to question you for his death.
How competent is your brother?
Extremely smart.
I do not want any traces.
Trust me on this.
I want a clean job. Do you understand? Take it.
Madam, you have to trust my brother.
I was not talking to you, young lady.
Sorry.
Madam, you don't have to worry. I'm on this. I'm going to make it look like an accident. Okay?
Now listen to me, I do not care whether you roasted the body or not. All I want is a clean job.
I know what to do, madam. You just have to trust me. I got this.
Tina.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. I've made arrangements for you to leave this country. I've had a discussion with my brother in Canada, and all arrangements are in place. Okay?
You're the one who needs to leave this country, sir. You don't need to worry about me. I'll be safe. I'm safe here.
Tina, you don't understand. You will understand why you should leave this country later. Okay?
Sir, at this point, you can find your way out. We've never met before. As a matter of fact, you are dead.
I understand. Good. Tina.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Since then, I remained dead. Because I knew if I fought her, I'll be dead by now.
Jesus Christ. So, where is she now? Your wife?
Well, I was told she left the country for a while. But she's back from the information I got. She sold several of my companies and lavished the money on men.
Jesus Christ. Hey. So I'm really sorry to hear that.
It's alright. Well, I think it's time.
Time? Time for what, sir?
Don't worry. I will tell you when the time comes. Look, I'm famished. Go and get me something to eat.
Yes, sir. Baby, I'm coming, sir.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself.
If I get a lot tomorrow, I will strangle her to death, or I will poison her food.
Why are you not sleeping?
I am thinking about my son.
You are lying. Now you listen to me. If you try anything stupid, my men will bring you down. You know the down I'm talking about? Down 6 feet. I hope you understand.
I do not understand what you're talking about.
I'm talking about mischief. Don't even think about it. Bobby tried it with me.
It is done.
Are you sure he's dead?
Yeah, I shot him myself.
Good! Good boy. Now come here. You think you can steal from me?
No, honey, it's not what you think.
Now drop it! Your hands on your coconut head! You actually think you can steal from me? Oh! Idiot!
Oh, please don't kill me.
You actually think you can steal from me? Now kick that bag with your stupid leg. Kick it! Good boy. Get out. Aren't you an idiot?
Baby, please. Don't kill me.
Oh, shut up with your stupid love! I killed my husband for us to have a better life. I never knew you had all the plans as a pig you are. Here you are, telling me about love. Go to hell with your love. Idiot.
Someone please come and help me out from the hands of Delilah. Delilah, hands of
Maybe you do not understand what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Bobby. He played with me and I gave him back evil with evil. That's exactly what I'm going to do to you if you try anything stupid. All right, you. I'm not a bad person. Okay? I'm a good woman. Now you sleep.
Someone please come and help me out from the hands of Delilah. Delilah have killed me. Hands of
Much better.
Because of money. Because of money. Because of money.
Chief, please let me take you to the hospital. Eh? I don't want anything to happen to you, please. Please.
I don't want to go to the hospital. Whatever will be.
God forbid. Nothing like that, Chief. He will be fine. Please, stop sounding this way. You'll be fine, sir.
No, yeah.
Sir?
In case anything happens to me, please look for my brother and tell him everything.
Sir, nothing will happen to you. God forbid that anything will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you. In Jesus' name, you are healed. Nothing will happen to you, sir. You are healed in Jesus' name. You are healed, sir. Please stop talking like this. You're scaring me. Sir, please let me just take you to the hospital. Please listen to me. Please.
I wish I could say the same thing.
Chief, you will be fine, sir. You will be fine. I know that you will be fine.
Maybe this is the time. Maybe this journey of pain will end here.
God forbid. God forbid. Sir, I want you to speak life into your own life.
Tell yourself that you'll be fine. And you'll be fine, sir. Have the faith.
No, yet. I wish I can say that.
Sir, you can say it. You can say it.
Stop crying.
Sir, please tell me that you'll be fine.
It's strong for me.
Please just tell me that you'll be fine and I'll be strong. Please, sir. I don't want anything to happen to you.
It's alright.
Please.
I'll be fine if you wipe your tears.
Just tell me that you'll be fine. Please. Tell me you'll be fine, sir. Yes, sir. You'll be fine in Jesus' name. Amen. Do you want to eat anything?
Please. You will have to go and look for my brother. Tell him that I am alive, please.
Okay. But I cannot leave you alone. I don't know.
I'll be fine. Go and get me a biro and a paper. Let me write the address for you.
Okay, sir. I'm coming, sir. Here.
This is Maazio Tika Ibekwe. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care. Sir, I have been looking for you.
Me?
Yes, sir. Your brother sent me to you.
Me? Ichiotika?
Yes, sir.
Have we met before?
No. But he gave me this address, and that's what I've been using to look for you.
Who gave you this?
Chief Donald Ibekwe, sir.
Tell whoever sent you to stop mocking me. Are you hearing me? Tell him to stop mocking me. You people have mocked us enough. Take you. Hurry up. Let me leave here.
Sir, I am not mocking you. It is your brother that gave me this address. He said I should use it to look for you. Sir, please, you have to believe me. I have been looking for you since.
Look, you people should stop mocking me. You should stop mocking me. You have mocked us enough. Give me. Let me live here. Please.
Sir, please.
Am I the only one whose rich brother has died? Am I the only one? Am I the only one? Why do you people keep reminding me of him? Why? Why?
Sir, I am not mocking you. Chief sent me to tell you that he's still alive.
Look, let me tell you. I don't have any money to give. My brother Donald died 2 good years ago in a fire accident. Are you hearing me?
Sir, I think you are talking about the wrong person. Because Chief is not dead.
You are the one talking about another man here. My brother Donald is dead.
Okay, sir, please. Do you have the picture of the person you're talking about?
You are the one that is talking about another man here. I have no picture of any person. My brother Donald. Ah. Hey, Donald of blessed memory. He's the reason I'm alive here. This house was given to me by my brother, my late brother Donald. And here you people come every day to remind me of him, mocking me. Huh?
Sir, sorry. Is there any other family that bears the same surname with you in this village? Because...
Please, you have to go. Go back to whoever sent you. Are you hearing me? Look, I am tired of crying. I'm tired of crying.
It's a blessing from above.
I'm just coming from your house, old man. So you have been the one threatening me with court? Look at this wretched man. Or you think you can take over what my husband and I labored for?
Who unleashed all of you on me today? Where have you been? Where are you coming from? Oh, all you feel and think of is property, property, property?
Now you listen to me. I'm going to warn you for the very last time. Stay away from my affairs. Else, I will come after you.
Why did we go there?
I just wanted to be sure. He's not the one taking me to court over my ex-husband's property.
What if he's the one?
No, he's not. But believe me, I'm going to find out soon who the person is.
You know, we have a plan already.
We do not have plan B.
So, what's the plan B?
Relax. I'll figure it out soon.
Good afternoon, ma.
What in the world is going on here?
Madam, court people come here with police and lock this place.
I beg your pardon? How? Manager, what is going on here?
Madam, there is fire on the mountain. Our company has been sealed and they came with the police.
Who authorized them to lock up my house? Who authorized them to lock my company or so?
Ma, I don't know. Even me myself, I am surprised. I'm surprised.
Oh, get in the car, dummy. What is this? What is going on? This is madness.
For real.
Manager, let me have my phone. I need to call my barrister. Hello, barrister. Yes, can you hear me? What? I should come to the bank for questioning. Why? Hell no! I'm not into illegal dealings. Come on. Yes. Hello? Hello? Can you imagine?
What's going on?
They've frozen my account.
You see, I told you to read the text message from your bank, but you refused. What are we going to do? What's your lawyer saying?
Not just that. I have been invited by the EFCC for questioning.
Oh.
What? Tell me, what did I do? Oh my goodness. CJ. I'm losing my breath.
Please calm down. You have to calm down. Please.
I'm finished.
Please,
I'm
please.
finished.
You have to calm down. Just let's go to the car. Give me, let me drive. Let me
What
drive,
is
okay?
this?
Come on, let's go to the car. Please. It's okay. Come on. It's okay.
This is shameful. Shame. You have no shame at all. Shame. No shame in their face. They are proud of their behavior, so proud of their character. They're so proud of their action.
He was so angry. He didn't even want to give me any space to explain myself. He said I should go, that his brother is dead. He's been dead for 2 years now.
I can understand how he feels. But you have to go back again. What?
Is there anything you want to tell me? I will not be scared. You can tell me if you are dead. I mean, if there's anything you would want me to give to your brother, I'll give him.
So, what do you think? You think I am dead? As in, I'm a ghost?
Sir, judging from the disguise, everything, I am confused though. Confused.
No, yeah.
Sir.
Well, you don't need to be confused. The truth is that I will die very soon. Yes. I am diagnosed with serious kidney problem.
Oh my God.
The doctor says I have a few months to live. That is why I told you I would die very soon.
Hi. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Please, sir. sorry.
It's okay.
Don't worry. You will not die. I'll help you.
No. You can't help me. You still have a long way to go. If anything happens to you, your son will not forgive me.
Sir, nothing will happen to me. Have so much faith in God. I know that I will survive it. Please let me help you. This is the only thing I can do for you. You're a good man.
I need to talk to my brother.
I'll suggest we go together. Let me help.
That is the right thing to do. Both of us will go and see him tomorrow. Thank you very much.
There's nothing, sir. You deserve it.
No, yeah.
Sir.
Come here.
A good woman, the heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart.
You again? You again? Have I not warned you not to come to this house again? Have I not warned you not to come to this house again? Why are you here? What are you doing here? What do you want from me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Why are you here again?
Your brother is here.
Donald! Donald! Hey! Am I dreaming? No, please, don't come here. Don't come here, I'm told you are dead. I know it.
No, I am not dead. I'm alive, you can see. Neither are you dreaming. Hey. Huh? Touch me.
No.
Okay, let me touch you. You see? I'm alive.
Hey, Donald. Hey. Please go. Get some chair. Hey, Donald. How are you? I am fine. Where have you been?
Well, I've been keeping safe, hiding myself. So, how are you?
I have been a shadow of myself since the news of your demise was brought to me.
I'm sorry. Really sorry for all you passed through because of me. I was waiting for the right time to see you. And I think the right time is now.
That woman came here yesterday to ask me why I charged her to court. That was the only time she came here since your rumored demise. What she did was to send some boys to bring some ashes they claimed were your remains. To me.
Well, it's all right. That is in the past. In fact, I've started dealing with her. Yes. I've closed down all her accounts and all my companies sealed. Let me see where she will get money to pay all these things. That is good.
Suffer in this land.
Brother, you need to thank this woman for me.
Yes, I call her the lady with a golden heart. She's so kind. She has been the one taking care of me. Yes, and as we speak, she has volunteered to donate one of her kidneys to me.
Huh? Oh yeah. And I have been insulting her?
Hey, don't worry, she's a kind woman. She will not take that to heart.
My daughter, I am sorry. Thank you for all you have done for me. And that you are still doing. Thank you. For all I did to you before, please. Find a place in your heart to...
No, it's okay, sir. It's nothing.
I told you.
My brother, when you sow good, you will reap good.
You're correct.
Hey! On a lighter note, let me get you some fat wine.
With this my condition.
Chief, wait. What you're saying is you want to adopt my son and make him yours?
No, I am not only adopting Bobo. I am adopting you as well as my daughter.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yes. You are part of us now.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. God bless you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. My God will continue to bless you. Thank you for all you do for me. Thank you.
Get up, sit down. You see, there is nothing I do without telling my brother. We have made that decision. And as a matter of fact, I've sent for the lawyer. You know, I've already briefed him. Talk of the angel. Barrister.
Good day, Chief.
Good day, how are you?
Good day, sir.
Please sit down. I was just briefing my daughter what we discussed. The assignment I gave to you.
Okay.
No, yeah.
Sir.
Like I told you, there is nothing I do without consulting my brother here. And we both agreed that you are going to be the Chief Executive Officer.
What?
Yes, the Managing Director of my group of companies. And that includes the oil servicing company, my microfinance bank, the oil mill, the schools. In fact, I can't start counting.
Hey. Oh God! Hey! Sir! Thank you! Hey! Sir! Thank you! Hey! God! Hey! Me! Sammy! Hey!
Come. I have one more surprise for you. You see, I have made arrangements for my son Bobo to travel to Denmark to further his education.
Sorry, sir. Where's Denmark?
You mean Denmark?
Yes, sir.
It's abroad.
Hey! God! Oh, God! Hey! Thank you so much.
You're my daughter.
You have done so much for me. You have done so much for me. Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! My God will bless you. My God will bless you.
You're my daughter.
So
my
much.
son.
Thank you. Hey!
Go and get us drinks. We need to celebrate this. Have you prepared food?
Yes.
Go and bring them. Bring drinks, then we go to the dining to feast.
It's alright, where's that?
I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself.
Hey, Sissy, how are you? How are you?
I'm fine. Helen, I'm so happy I met you. Hey, Helen, please, let me not waste your time. I need little help from you. Please, I need money so I can leave this town, please.
The last deal I did with you, I'm yet to get my credit alert.
Helen, please. The money I'm talking about is just very little money. Small money. 20,000 naira. Please, Helen.
Sissy, you should get one of your sugar boys to raise money for you. Yes, you should. My baby has warned me to stay away from you till this whole thing is cleared.
Sugar boy. Helen, please. Just help me. Alright. You don't want to help a friend, eh? At least, let me in so I can rest my head, even if it's just one night. Please.
You should be talking about getting a job. If you're interested in a job, I have a man to link you up with. He's about launching his new firm.
And you think the man would not recognize my face as someone the police are looking for?
Huh? Then get a cooking job. Sissy, get a cooking job.
Helen, you're not mocking me. Me, Sissy, get a cooking job? Chai.
Then I don't think you do need any help from me. I don't think so. Please excuse me.
Helen, Oya, wait. Helen, please.
I'm seeing darkness, not light.
Helen!
What we are doing is not right.
This one, you look upset. Calm down. Please sit down. Which wicked woman were you talking about?
Is it not the woman that stole my husband? She came here looking for a job as a cook.
Huh.
Wicked woman.
That is strange. Are you sure she's not here to snitch on you?
I don't think so. From the look of things, she's really wretched. She looks hungry. I know my God is dealing with her.
It's alright. So, where is she now?
I told her to leave.
Nonye. You shouldn't have done that. Eh? You don't need to repay evil with evil. Hmm?
Sir, truth is, it will be very risky for her to live here with us. It won't be nice. I know that woman. From her appearance, you would think she's a nice person, but she's not. She's evil. So that was why I asked her to leave.
That's fine. But at least we could have given her some food and some money. Yes, it's also possible you can find out the whereabouts of your husband from her. Hmm? Because I think your husband may have run away with her money.
So I don't care. I don't care. It's their business.
Mm. It's alright. Go and find something for her to eat. I will come later to give her some money.
You don't sell now. That's what it will be. God's time is the best, eh, madam? Anyhow, we can just manage them.
Joe, give her something to eat. Because it's obvious she's hungry.
Okay.
Please. Sorry. You have every right to be angry. Forgive me. I offended you. No. You did not offend me. You offended God.
Sissy! Sissy! Donald!
You're alive.
Of course I'm alive. Yay! Your plan didn't work. What are you doing here? Yay! Is she the cook?
Wait a minute.
Is she your wife?
My ex-wife.
Why don't you get her arrested?
Don't worry. She will not go scot-free.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
Idiot! You better stay away from me! Stay away! Rubbish! If I hadn't met you, I wouldn't have been in this mess! Rubbish!
Yes? You're the one who puts yourself in this mess. You brought me from frying pan into stirring fire. See what you've caused.
Why didn't you burn? When you were in the frying pan, why didn't you burn? You should have rusted! Idiot!
You're the one who's gonna burn, not me.
Oh no! You should have rusted! Idiot! Look at you, demon that flies by day!
That's what you are!
Holy Ghost fire burn you to
Holy Ghost fire scatter you!
Oh, shut up! Rubbish!
Shut up! Why must you slap me? Are you mad?
You have the nerve
Enough from me.
to slap me. Are you mad? I'll punish you!
I'll kill you!
Pay me
If
back
you
the
touch me
money
again,
I
I'll kill
spent
you.
on you!
If you...
Get out! Get out! I'll punish you!
I'll kill you! Excuse you! I'll
punish you!
I'll kill you!
I'll kill you! I'll punish you!
Yes, hold it right there!
Come on!
Mrs. Sissy Donald, you are under arrest for the murder of Bobby Saleh, attempted murder of Chief Donald Ibekwe, and forgery. You have right to be silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. You have right to an attorney, but if you don't have one, the state can provide you with one.
Oh yeah, move! No.
Officer, I said move! Come on, move! I said move! 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 I said move!
How may I help?
I am looking for the woman and the boy living here.
Man and boy living here?
Yeah, my wife. My wife. They are living here. I'm here to see them.
Oh. I heard the woman living here traveled overseas with her son.
I mean, this is my house. I'm here to see my wife and my son.
I just packed in here about 2 months ago, and I heard the woman living here travel overseas with her son.
Travel overseas?
Yes.
So you were the one living here now?
I'm the new occupant.
I'm so sorry for disturbing your peace, okay? I'm sorry about that. Travel abroad? How is that possible? Hey.
I don't put everything inside the trunk. That's fine, yes. Nonye, I can't thank you enough. In fact, if not for you, I wouldn't be here right now. Thank you so very much.
It's okay.
Well, I bought a house last week. My lawyer will take you to the person I bought it from. Well, you can give him just a week's grace to pack out.
All right.
Good. I'll be back next year. I trust you to manage the companies. Recruit new staff to kick off. All right?
All right, Chief. I will.
Someone is still calling me Chief.
I am sorry, Dad.
No, yeah. You can take a break anytime you wish. All right? You can travel to any country of your choice to cool down.
Honestly, I'll do just that.
Good.
I'm thinking of traveling to Denmark to spend the Christmas with Bobo.
It's all right. I'll give you a call, okay?
Okay.
All right.
No.
What?
I won't let you drive this time. I can move this truck.
You can?
Of course.
Honey! My wife! Mama!
What are you doing?
I came to see my wife.
Which wife? I don't think you have any wife in this compound.
I'm talking about Munyem.
Munyem.
I heard she's back, so I came to see her.
You are in the wrong place.
Eh?
Sebapo. Get out.
I think
Sebapo. Sebapo, you are in the wrong place. No.
Honey, brothers, Mamia.
Honey.
Honey!
Let
me see my wife now. Let me see my wife. Honey?
Honey, honey, kill you, dear.
No. Honey. No. Papa, I want my wife and my son back.
I will not be part of that stupid act. You divorce your wife in court.
You asked to collect your money, the money you paid on ahead as bride price. No, tell me. Why do you think I will be so stupid to follow you and go to them?
Papa, I still love my wife. I want them back.
Okay.
Ogini.
Because you heard she is now rich. That is the reason you want them back.
Papa, I want my wife back.
Rubbish. I want my wife back.
Papa, I want my family back.
Because she is now rich. Chosen in her back.
Mama, why didn't you give me food? Mama, I'm talking to you now. Mama?
Allow me now. Give you what? Why would I give you food? When you need to come up with a grain of rice, and when the food is not there, allow me to eat this food, please, Biko. Biko.
Mama, you're now talking to me anyhow because of my condition. Eh?
This boy, allow me now. What nonsense condition? Am I the one that caused condition? Eh? When you did play your game very well. Biko, wow.
Mama, I'm going. I can't be watching you eating without giving me food.
My own food, Luba.
One food, Nasagani. Them you can get. I'm there watching you. You're eating. Not sit down and eat food. Eh?
Hey, this man, what not?
Mama,
don't try me. Okay, it's my sweat.
My friend.
Ovi!
Hey.
How are you?
My sister, I'm fine. Oh. Just look at how you're looking good. Is this your car?
Yes, so my sister. God has been faithful. So where are you going to? Why are you standing here?
My sister, my husband has been sick. I came to see his brother to see if he can give us some money.
Get into the car.
That beggar is a millionaire. A very big man. One day, the whole story changed. Look at me now. Look at me. Everything is all good for me now. God has blessed me. He has blessed me beyond any human imagination. I can see. Just look at how beautiful you are looking. Just look at how you're radiating.
Thank you.
This is what we call from grass to grace.
Exactly.
From grass to grace. Who will believe that you'll be sitting on top money like this?
God chose me.
He chose me. Who am I? Who am I? Kai. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
What of Bobo?
Bobo? That man is in Denmark. Yes, so Bobo is in Denmark.
Yay! Really?
Yes.
That's good though. Ha! Bobo? You know Bodo Ibo?
Yes, sir.
Hey, no quack. And your husband? Name Potaba. I don't know his whereabouts. And honestly, I do not care. I don't want to know. Hey, what did you actually say is wrong with your husband?
Name. They said it's something prostrate, something. I don't even understand, but he needs a surgery.
So sorry. I'm so sorry for this. For what you're going through. Totally understand. Really sorry about it. And the doctors, how much did they say it will cost?
Name. They said 200 and something thousand. Where will I get such amount of money from? Maybe I can say wait there. Don't have such amount of money. Would you believe that my husband's people, they don't even care. They don't care. Those people don't care.
Here. This is 300,000 naira.
Hey,
No, get up there.
Hey, Nonye, 300,000. God bless you. God bless you. Can't Nonye, you don't know what you have done for my family. No. You don't know what you have done for my family.
Heavy, stand up. It's okay.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Hi. It's okay.
Hey.
I understand what you're going through.
Hey.
I have been there. It's okay.
Hey.
Please, just go and bring your husband to the city. Let me take him to a specialist hospital. Okay?
Oh yeah, God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
May God will bless you. Where this came from, more will come. Thank you. Now I'll call you later. Bring him fast. Okay.
A good woman with a heart.
So, barrister, please, if she comes, try and talk to her on my behalf, please. What can we be? Please.
I will. That's why we're here.
Thank you.
Just that I doubt if she would agree. This is the man.
Maybe I'm in the wrong place.
Is she? Yeah, she's the one.
Barrister, can be go.
I don't understand.
I say you can be also, I don't understand.
Mr. Man?
Hey.
Let him know.
Do you know him?
I think so.
Well, I think I should be on my way.
So, brother, that was how it all happened. You understand that? As we speak, I don't even have a dime in my account. My account is in red. I want to go once again.
You are welcome. At least you came back alive.
Thank God, though. Thank God, though.
Hey.
Oh.
Welcome, brother.
Anyway, now, this is the key to your house.
Brother, I don't think it's necessary. No, it's not at all.
How do you mean it is not necessary?
It's a very long story.
What is the long story?
Okay. That house we're talking about is no longer mine. I sold it out to Akukalia, so as we speak, Akukalia is the real owner of the house. That's true.
Wait. You sold your house to Akukalia? When? Why would you do a thing like that?
Brother, let's be honest. I would not have sold it if I knew that things were going to be okay. But I have to sell it so that I will at least hold myself together. I say, now, if I am a boy, so the reason I'm here is that I want to beg. I'm begging, I'm not ordering, I'm not ordering. I want to beg. If it's possible for me to stay here, when I bounce back.
Until you bounce back from where? You are welcome. Stingy man. You are not welcomed in this house. Okay, man is here now.
My wife, what is it?
Also, no, my wife. You know, here husband and wife. You know, okay, because you say you're not welcome here.
Adaku, shut up and go inside. Get inside.
Naira, if I can't go inside.
Adaku, where are you going with his bag?
Brother Chelo. Okay, man, I got snake potato. Oh, Kochubagoso, Baba. Another. It's a water. Get over, Baba. Give me my bag now. Uncle, where are you going to with your bag? As we speak, I don't even know where I will lay my head.
Okay.
Can't keep my man okay. Listen, you will not understand, but I believe that at the nick of time you will understand. I learned you were supposed to be getting married to a very rich lady in the town. What are you doing here?
Uncle, I don't want to talk about that now, because all I want now is someone that will help me talk to my wife to forgive me.
Talk to your wife to forgive you?
Yes, I need them back.
I'm that one. So,
Uncle, I'm talking to you now.
Uncle, Dwaga Banya. So, maybe Bruno. I don't know if Bruno I will from there. I'll go to Ghana.
Uncle, not where?
Did you come back with my money?
Mama, I'm not just in the mood for that drama now. Please, just let me be. Biko.
Meaning?
Biko. Mama, rap. Mama, stop. I'll push you. I'll push you.
Push me.
I'll push you now.
Push me.
I'll push you.
Wait me fast. Give me my money.
I don't like what you're doing now.
Give me my money.
You want to push Mama?
Ha!
Try it if I won't break your head.
What did you just do?
I pushed you.
You pushed me?
Yes.
Inayala. Eh! Oh, Unabo. Okay, okay. Okay, you're supporting him, right?
Yes.
You're supporting him. Okay, no problem.
Unyoshi.
Is that the situation now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Get out.
No, no, call Ebelima.
Come and touch my mic again.
Shameless Diabala.
Come and touch her again.
No, call me. See, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come.
Why is that? Allow me to beat that guy.
Come, not by me. Not by me. You come back. Come back.
I believe you're Chief Donald's daughter. We need a loan. Actually, I spoke to your father on the phone concerning it and he asked me to come and meet you here in the office.
Do you remember me, sir?
I'm sorry, I think I'm in the wrong place.
No. You're not. I am Chief Donald's daughter. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, how may we help you with a loan?
We're on the verge of liquidation. If we don't get a loan now, we might face the worst.
Terrible people face the worst things. Don't you think so, sir?
Look, you should know that I'm at your mercy at the moment.
No. On the contrary, you are not. Do you have a collateral?
But Chief is my friend.
Then I'm sorry. We cannot help you. We are strictly out for business.
Mom, please. I really need this loan. Do this for me, please.
If you don't mind, I would like to attend to the next person.
Please.
Get a collateral and you come back.
Mom, Chief is my friend. Why would you need a collateral for me?
Thank you, please. I would like to attend to the next person.
Mom, but Chief is my friend.
I would not like to call the security on you. Thank you.
Mom, please. Just do this for me.
Please, respect yourself.
Surprises. Child, I'm so ashamed of myself. What have I done to myself? Okay, shit. What is all this? I'm so ashamed of myself.
How may I help you?
Please, I'm sorry.
If you're here for the job, let me have your CV.
Please forgive me, please. I am sorry.
Your CV?
You see,
CV?
The truth
TV?
The truth is that I was under her spell. Please. Baby, it's me. Oh. Please, I'm so sorry for everything. Please forgive me. What's going on?
Security. There's a non-entity in my office.
Is your husband you're calling on an entity?
Trash him out.
Baby, you just called your husband on an entity. Yeah, I was under her spell. She was just messing me up. I didn't even know what I was doing.
Security. Yes. Is it this man here?
Yes, ma'am.
Trash him out like a dustbin.
Okay. Come on, mind the door.
Don't you have respect when you look at how this guy is
I
talking
said,
to me?
trash him out. Dustbin. Now!
Honey, look at who is talking to me. Please, excuse me. Honey, please don't do this now. Oh, become. Baby. Baby. No. No. Channel. I'm only pushing more like that. Mama, all right. Baby, come on, let me go.
What is it? I don't see what that is again.
Don't push me like that again.
What's going on here?
You. I swear, Satan will punish you for this. Satan will punish you for this. Hellfire is waiting for you. Apogi, you. Frogode. Nalana Pogale. Nonsense.
Officer, this is the man that raped me when I came to his office to look for a job. You are the one, don't deny it.
Hi. That's exactly what you can do.
Me? You are the one.
Rape you?
Yes, you are the one.
Oga, as you can see, Inspector Danjuma from headquarters.
Oh,
You are under arrest for rape.
Arrest for what?
For rape.
Mr. Joe. You raped this woman.
Yes,
you did. I know exactly what you can do.
It's okay. No problem. I think I have to call my lawyer.
Excuse me, sir. He will check us at the station.
You mean I can't call my lawyer too? Nonsense, man. God, I just told you that God will punish you. He started punishing you already. Rapist. A very big rapist. Look at you.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right.
Dala. Where am I even going to?
I found myself.
Not even Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. You like this environment?
Go.
Child.
Money is good though.
Yeah, so you can say it again. No? Like just the talk and the go. Make I ask you.
Okay.
I hope say you sabi cook.
I can cook. Yes, very, very well. I used to have a fast food joint.
And I dare you get that wrong. You don't come again. I used to. We dey talk of present tense. You dey tell me I used to. We dey talk of now.
Okay, if not cooking, I know how to cook very well. Really, hensi. Ntabi.
You know why they tell you this thing? May no be say I no give you the expo now because my madam, na no nonsense human being. If you don't do cook anyhow, from your village people, 2 seconds you don't go.
Don't bother yourself about that one. I can cook very well. Your madam will be ninsi. Omanyeni higadongo. Nari.
Jola?
My madam did this.
How did this get in here?
Madam, now you can't walk.
Can you listen to me?
Honey,
throw this something out of this house now.
One thing.
And the next time I see him in this compound again, you will lose your job.
Hey, now that one I don't want.
Push him out.
I don't like that one.
I said push him out.
Honey is me. Oh, can't you say my honey be that today? Talk of trouble, they call honey.
Oh God, look at me. I found myself. Oh, poverty, 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 me go me fair. Uge ma joka, poverty, poverty, poverty have ruined my life. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself. Oh, poverty, poverty, me
So you're back from exile, right? Where's Mama's money? Where's Mama's money now?
Chima, I'll break your head, though.
Break my head.
I'll break your
My
head.
head.
I'm not here to play with you. I'm a Kwapagisi.
So I'm playing with you now, right? Where's Mama's money?
I think I'm your mate.
Where's Mama's money now?
Who do you think you're talking to? Huh? Who do you think you're talking to? Are you mad?
You hit me.
Are you mad? And I'll hit you. And I'll hit you again. I will hit again. I will. You can go here, man. Eh?
I'll break this guy. Start on this.
Start on this. What have you done?
Mama.
Mama!
John!
See what you've done! You've killed her! You've killed her!
You did!
You were the one that killed her!
You did!
Let me see what you've caused!
You did!
Mama!
What's happening there? Mama! Mama, it's me now! Mama, it's Chima!
Have you seen what you've caused?
Chima! What is happening?
What happened here? He was the one fighting with her!
Chima hit her with a stick!
Mama, it's a lie!
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Hi!
Me! Mama!
Hi!
Mama!
Oh!
Hey!
Hi!
Let me get a cab! Let me get a cab! Let me get a cab!
Mama! Mama! Papa, you was the one that killed her!
Hey!
Mama! Mama!
Adaku!
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself. Oh, poverty, poverty have ruined my life. Poverty,
Just get yourself together. Just take it easy. Huh? Take it easy. Please. It's not the end of the road for anybody. Just relax.
Nanya is a blessing from above. Nanya is a blessing from above. A good woman with a heart of gold. A good woman with a heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart.